Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And well, today is the day. Another Look for Less challenge is a challenge that you all know I love. The challenge is hosted every month by Yami from the Latina next door, and her co-host this month is Kat from According to Kat. I'm going to leave the link to both channels in the description box. I truly beg you to visit both channels. I'm sure you are going to like all you will see there. A lot of original creations, inspiration, great ideas from both of them. So please pay a visit. Also, I will leave the link to the playlist with all the videos of all the participants in this challenge, and that's something that I advise you to do, to watch the videos. I love getting ideas from all the other participants. The Look for Less challenge is about finding some item of home decor that you like, but that is out of your budget. And this month I found at Ballard Designs, this beautiful lotus planter. And look at the price, $89, not including shipping. I don't know how much the shipping cost is. So, no way. I like it very much, but I'm not going to pay $89 for it. I knew when I saw it that I was going to be able to recreate it for less money. It's not going to be exactly the same, but I already tried it and I liked how it looked, so let me show it how I did it. I use one of these bowls from Dollar Tree, plastic bowls, and then I use this Rust-Oleum stone texture finish to give it a stone look, like in the original. So this is the result. This paint is great, honestly. I use it for another project and I still have a lot left, and I gave this only 2 coats and I got this result. As you can see, it looks really like stone. At least that's what I think. So it takes a little while for it to dry, more than regular paint, but I think that the result is really good. I like it. Then I use this moss. Oh my god, this is a mess. Here you go. I'll have to do a lot of cleaning afterwards. Let me see. I'm going to do this. I know I'm out of frame, but I want to use all the moss I have available. Then I'm going to use just 2 candles instead of 3 because of the size of the bowl. And of course I'm going to use the Dollar Tree candles. I could have used the shorter one that they sell, but it's wider than this one. So it was taking too much room in the bowl and I didn't like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a hole here, and I'm going to insert one of them. I'm going to place it more towards the front. I'm not using any glue, anything like that, because as you know, I like to reuse things after a while, and really it worked pretty well without gluing the candle. Now I'm going to make another hole here, but not as deep as the other one for the other candle. So this will look shorter than the other one. As you can see, they look pretty well. They don't move. It's not something that you're going to be moving all around the house. So once I place it where I intend to showcase this, it's going to stay there. And now it's just a matter of adding the succulents. So let me see. I like this one really a lot. So I'm going to place this one here. This one may go here. I want one of the red ones. Oh, this came off. I'm going to glue that later. So let me put this here. Small one. These are the Dollar Tree succulents. Some of them come inside a small pot, like this one, or planter, and some come with some, how do you call it? Pick? There's another name, I can't remember. Clip, that was the word I was looking for, clip. So I removed the clip and I'm using this here. So I'm going to place this here. Another red one here, or darker one here. This one. This one is so cute. And this one here. Of course, you can add more, less, whatever you like. And this is all you have to do to get this look. Of course, $89 is just for the planter. It doesn't include the succulents, the moss, the candles, nothing. I can't believe it. It's too much, too expensive. So I think I got something really similar. Let me see. And I just spent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and maybe $2 for the paint. For less than $15, I have my lotus planter, and I'm really pleased with the result. So I hope you like this idea. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber if you are not one already. Ring the bell so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video, usually on Mondays. And thank you to the hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels and the playlist. And hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.